Alright, we're doing some durability testing of our new Lexan sprockets. So the sprockets here look something like this. So it's a piece of Lexan that's got a little bearing that's pushed into the inside. I got a whole assortment of them here over on the bench. And those are cut on the mill. I can cut 4 of them at a time. And then I made some little specialty aluminum washers so that after I do the profile cut, then I can go in and put one of these washers and screw it down and lock it into place while it cuts the teeth. Cycle time is pretty low, 1/8 inch mill cut for the teeth, and then 5/16 for the inner part and then the outer part. So here you can see the Lexan sprocket going back and forth. I'll move this connector out of the way. Everything looks pretty good up there. I don't see any particular problems. The motion is pretty smooth. One of the problems that I see is some vibration of the chain. Right here looks pretty good, but when it's coming off the driver sprocket, this chain right here vibrates a little bit. Overall, I think actually the Lexan sprocket is better at the cogging effect than what the Lexan sprocket is. This has been going for probably half an hour. Let me see if I can increase the speed. So here I've done sharper accelerations. That really puts it's a pretty steep acceleration. I never run. That acceleration is set to 127 inches per second squared. I never run that acceleration. I probably run 30. So here's back to 30. So in conclusion, I would recommend doing a configuration where let's just use this as our driver sprocket, and then these are our idler sprockets. Even on the axis, the head axis, I would do something like this, as opposed to what I currently am running, and that is something that looks like this. I think this causes too much vibration right here coming off the drive, and I think that this will provide smoother. You might get some vibration in here, but by the time everything is down here, I think the vibration will be damped out. Overall, I think the Lexan sprockets will work.